In New York Air National Guard news, Governor Cuomo activated the 106th Rescue Wing on August 26th for search and rescue assistance in Texas after Category 4 storm Hurricane Harvey made landfall there one day prior. 106 Rescue Wing members lived by the motto that others may live as they spent a week in Texas saving men, women, children, and pets from flood-ravaged Houston and the surrounding area. To carry out the rescues, the team used two HC-130 King aircraft for command and control of the airspace, as well as for refueling and transportation, in addition to three HH-60 Pave Hawk helicopters and 4 Zodiac boats to effect the rescues. All present worked long hours to help save as many lives as possible. Our maintainers once again performed in spectacular fashion, keeping as many aircraft in flight, carrying out the mission, as they worked very long hours in all sorts of weather conditions. In all, nearly 1,000 saves were attributed to Air Force rescue, and 546 of those saves belonged to the men and women of the 106th Rescue Wing.